The world is changing, becoming more and more digital every day. Businesses are rushing to keep up with this change. That's why leaders in design and manufacturing and in architecture, engineering and construction are investing $560 billion worldwide in digital initiatives this year. But just because they're spending money on digital doesn't mean it's working. Half of organizations today see less than 10% ROI from their digital investments, if they see any results at all. Design and manufacturing and AEC companies face a choice: accelerate their digital investment for success or fight for survival. To propel themselves to success, leaders need to focus on 5 key accelerators of digital ROI. By investing in digital architecture and best practices, design and manufacturing and AEC companies can build their resiliency and accelerate to success.